playtime.
Pepper and George are playing at Zoe Zebra's house. Little Zuzu and Zaza are making a jungle with Play Clay. George
This is awesome.
made a dinosaur out of Play Clay. Pepper and Zoe are having a dance.
Hey, don't forget me.
Hello, Mr. Monkey.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Monkey says yes.
What's the magic word, Mr. Monkey?
That means please.
Oh,
We
we have
haven't got a
tea
tea
set.
set. We could make a tea set out of Play Clay.
Hey, Maker Cube. Can we use the clay
George,
plate,
can we
please?
use the Play Clay,
Absolutely
please?
not, Kiwi.
Zuzu, Zaza, we need to make a tea set for our tea party. No, you can help us make it. I'll make the teapot.
And we'll make the cups.
The cups.
Now we can have tea.
Tea.
Oops!
This teapot
It's soft.
is too soft. Real tea sets aren't
I know. My mom, my adoptive mom, could make pottery. Good idea.
Mummy, can you help us make a tea set, please? With teacups and a teapot that we can put real water in. Okay, come with me.
This is where Mrs.
Wow.
Zebra makes her pottery.
Let's make this tea set. What's that? Clay. All pottery starts off like that. But it's soft, like clay. We need it to be soft so we can shape it. But later it won't be soft.
Mummy Zebra is making a little cup on the potter's wheel.
There, 1 cup.
Wow.
That looks easy.
Would you like to do one?
Yes, please.
I would like to do it.
It's all slimy.
By doing it something wrong. Ah!
Oh, going wrong.
Making a cup on a potter's wheel is not easy.
There is an easy way.
To make a cup, first you roll the clay into a long worm like this.
It's a wiggly worm. This is awesome.
We wrap it round and round like this.
Oh.
Now I smooth it out with my hand. And I
Add handle.
It's a cup. Now we have 2 cups. Yes, but a tea set needs more than 2 cups.
I see. We all make cups.
Yes.
George just made a dinosaur. She was following. I like dinosaurs.
Now we need to bake the tea set in a kiln.
A kiln is an oven that cooks the clay and makes it hard.
Later.
The tea set should be ready.
Hooray!
Now we paint them.
The children are painting the tea set lovely bright colours. The tea set is finished.
Now we can have our tea party.
There's a cup for everyone. Oh, we forgot to make the teapot.
Teapot. I know. George's dinosaur can be the teapot. Yes. Let's fill it with water. This is the best
Teacup in the world.
Everybody knows that all the finest tea sets have
I understandable.
dinosaur in them.
Mm-hmm.